On opening the box, we are greeted by the phone itself. Next, we have a drawer-like structure, where we have the SIM ejection tool, some documents, USB-C cable, in-ear style earphones, and power brick. Today, at a launch event in China, Vivo has announced its much-anticipated smartphone, Vivo Nex. The Vivo Nex is a production version of the Vivo Apex smartphone that was showcased by the China-based company during the Mobile World Congress. The smartphone comes with a 6.59-inch Super AMOLED Ultra Full View display, with a screen-to-body ratio of 91.24% and 2316x1080 pixels screen resolution. It's good to see that Vivo didn't ditch the 3.5mm audio jack. On the right we have power button and volume rocker keys. At the bottom there is speaker grill, USB-C port and a microphone. While on the left we have the Vivo's own voice assistant, Jovi. The phone comes with a screen soundcasting technology, which basically means that speakers are integrated with the screen. Further, all the sensors on the device are hidden under the display. Because of the narrow bezels surrounding the display, Vivo had to come up with a unique solution for the front-facing camera. And thus, one of the highlights of the phone is that it comes with a pop-up front-facing camera. The 8-megapixel front-facing snapper, when started, will make a sound to notify the user. The device features a third-generation in-display fingerprint scanning technology, which according to the company increases the screen unlock time by 10% and increases the overall experience of phone unlocking. On the back side, there are a dual camera setup, which consists of 12-megapixel sensors, primary being a Sony IMX363 sensor with 1.4 micron pixels, f/1.8 aperture, and 4-axis optical image stabilization, and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor. Vivo Nex S is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor along with Adreno 630 GPU, 8GB RAM, and 256GB internal storage. The Vivo Nex will be available in two color options: Diamond Black and Ruby Red. Vivo Nex is priced at 4998 yuan, which roughly converts to $780.